So for some reason this board here just disintegrated. I just pulled it out with my hands. I didn't even have to use a hammer. I don't know why. This board here is solid. This one's solid. But yeah, look at this one. So I think there was something wrong with this pine board that I used. Even this one's soft. I may need a hammer to pull it out. But the good thing is the house wrap, the studs are totally fine. You can see the insulation here. And the idea of the house wrap is it's got really fine holes coming through this way. So in theory, the moisture can get out, but wetness can't get in. So I don't know. It does appear to have not moved beyond that board, so that's good. I need to go and see if I had a couple of these, and I went and started trimming them up for the 3.5 inch piece. So I think I have some more of these. If not, I'll have to take a wider board and make it myself. Ideally, I can get the tongue in over here, but up here it's not gonna. I'm gonna have to cut that smooth, go in, and caulk in there. It's not ideal, but we are gonna put a roof over this, so it should put less weather on this anyways. The rest of it all looks good. The rest of it all sounds good, good and hard, and that's the way it's been on the rest of the house. This is the only two spots I've noticed so far, and I'm pretty sure they're only two spots because I've looked over the rest of it. Okay, so for whatever reason, the water attacked it and was able to get this board. I think it was probably semi-rotting before I put it on or something.